Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to redeem a Nintendo eShop code on your Nintendo Switch in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Turn on your Nintendo Switch and make sure you're connected to the internet. Step 2. Open the Nintendo eShop from the home screen. Step 3. Select your user profile if prompted. Step 4. Scroll down and choose Enter Code. Step 5. Carefully enter your 16-character eShop code and select OK. Step 6. Confirm the download or credit, and your game or funds will be added to your account. That's it! Redeeming Nintendo eShop codes on your Switch is fast and easy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more simple gaming tutorials.